We chose two well-known chatbots and asked them an extremely strange question because the AI race is more intense than ever, and there are hundreds of chatbots working on various algorithms. We know you'll be shocked by the answers, so join us as we explore this and see if these potent tools can truly predict stock prices for us. Strong language models that can produce text that mimics human speech patterns have emerged as a result of artificial intelligence's rapid growth. Examples of these language models are ChatGPT and Google Bard, which use natural language processing to understand and produce text that resembles human speech patterns. The size of the global chatbot market is expected to rise from $2.25 billion in 2021 to an astounding $6.92 billion in 2023. According to reports, we will compare the features of ChatGPT and Google Bard, including content generation, search engine integration, and plagiarism detection. Although ChatGPT and Google Bard are language models designed to generate responses that resemble those of a human, they differ significantly in a number of important ways. The biggest difference is the companies that support them. While ChatGPT is developed by OpenAI, only focused on AI language models, Google, digital behemoth with enormous resources, supports Google Bard. As a result, Google's enormous budget allows them to invest more in improving and refining their AI models. What sets them apart even more is the training data that went into their development. While ChatGPT is trained on a relatively limited text dataset, Google Bard is trained on a large text dataset that includes text from the internet. This implies that Google Bard has access to a greater variety of text data, which improves its ability to generate responses to more detailed prompts. Moreover, Google Bard comes with unique features that set it apart from ChatGPT, for instance. It excels at generating poetry and song lyrics, whereas ChatGPT's primary focus is on providing text responses to prompts. Additionally, Google Bard demonstrates the ability to comprehend and generate responses in multiple languages, whereas ChatGPT's primary focus remains on the English language. Currently, ChatGPT boasts around 25 million users who utilize the platform daily. However, experts anticipate that Google Bard will witness a meteoric rise in popularity, potentially acquiring an astounding 1 billion users once it becomes available to the masses. Regardless of the differences, both models aim to mimic human-like language. They utilize natural language processing techniques to comprehend and respond to prompts, enabling them to effectively engage in conversational interactions with users. Undoubtedly, both are powerful large language-based chatbots. So we decided to ask them about Tesla stocks. We asked about potential insights into Tesla's price by the end of 2023, and what are the key factors that could affect it. But as some of you might know, ChatGPT is kind of data set that was collected up until September 2021. This knowledge cutoff is a natural feature of machine learning models such as GPT. This means that even though we are in 2023, Chattet's responses are based on the world as it existed in 2021. In order to incorporate more recent knowledge, the model would need to undergo retraining with a new data set containing up-to-date information. However, these models learn from the data they are trained on, but do not update their knowledge after completing the training process. Training a model like GPT is a complex and resource-intensive process requiring significant computational power and time. Once the training phase concludes, the model becomes a static representation of the information it has learned from its training data, which only includes factual data up until the time the data set was collected. Although ChatGPT was unable to provide us with a definite price, it was able to identify several elements that can potentially affect stock prices. It's interesting that ChatGPT's comprehension of the world will be limited until 2021, after witnessing a dramatic reduction in its stock value of almost 50 during 2022. Tesla investor attention has returned to NASDAQ tsla this year as a result of its robust comeback. A number of variables, including aggressive pricing, the world's top electric vehicle manufacturer, Tesla, is continuing to draw significant interest from investors, generating a great deal of speculation and debate about the company's future stock price. According to the AI chatbot, factors influencing Tesla's future stock price include the company's historical performance in the stock market, the potential impact of Elon Musk, its CEO, on market sentiment, and its financial results. Past performance is a crucial factor in influencing investors. See, the most recent quarterly report from Tesla met and slightly exceeded Wall Street predictions in terms of earnings. Since Tesla is the largest electric vehicle manufacturer in the world, has a dominant position Investors should closely monitor its revenue growth and the global demand for electric vehicles. The market has a big influence on investor mood, and maybe predicting Tesla's future stock price and making wise investment decisions need knowledge of and adherence to these criteria, which drive the company's stock price. However, this time, when we asked the same question of Google's AI chatbot, we were astonished to see that some of its predictions were coming true. By 2023, the price of a share of Tesla is expected to range from 200 to 300. The projection is based on the company's ability to sustain growth in sales and profitability while posing minimal risks to its share price. Presently, in the most important section, we asked what you believed the stock price of Tesla could be by the end of 2027. The answer was really interesting. The market circumstances like rising interest rates and economic expansion will also have an impact on how Tesla stock performs in 2027. Different analysts have provided estimates for the price of Tesla's shares in 2027. The well-known investing firm ARK Invest offers a price target of $2,000 per share for Tesla by the Timecoin price projections. According to a firm that specializes in stock price predictions and cryptocurrencies, Tesla's stock price may hit $1,093 per share by the end of 2027. A different report from financial news and analysis firm Bazinga suggests that the price goal for Tesla shares in 2027 is $1,400 per share. However, it's important to keep in mind that these forecasts are speculative and that the real stock price may differ from them. ChatGPT prioritizes productivity more. Bard functions similarly to a hybrid of a virtual assistant and a search engine. While ChatGPT excels at coming up with ideas and content, Bard is especially helpful when you have a specific question that needs to be answered. Bard's main advantage is that it can provide real-time information from the internet for its responses, whereas ChatGPT relies on a fixed data set that hasn't been updated since 2021, making Bard more adept at providing current answers to topical and current questions. Bard also has the benefit of offering users many drafts or iterations of responses, giving them access to a wider range of possibly complex responses. Nonetheless, ChatGPT typically responds to questions from both chat and email with a single, frequently shorter response. Bots are easy to use and offer quick answers to questions. That's all. Bard, you'll need a Google account, which you can easily make if you don't already have one. On the other hand, ChatGPT lets you sign up with any email address, even your work email, so you can start using it right away. Use iChatbots for their intended purpose, and they will be excellent at it. Please share with us your favorite chatbot and the most common uses for it in the comment box below. Please also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. We look forward to speaking to you again